In this video, we will solve a problem on integration in economics, how to calculate total cost from the given marginal cost function. The question is, given marginal cost is equal to the derivative of total cost function with respect to output, which is equal to 12 times e to the power 0.5q, where q denotes the output, and fixed cost is being given us as 36. We have to calculate the total cost. Okay, so actually we are being told that our marginal cost is equal to 12 e to the power 0.5q. Now total cost is simply, and let me write it here, total cost is simply the integral of marginal cost with respect to output. That gives us total cost will be equal to the integral of marginal cost is 12 e to the power 0.5q, okay, with respect to output we integrated, which will give us total cost will be equal to, now let's take the integral of this very function here. Now let us see here, the integral of e to the power nx comes out to be e to the power nx upon n. Okay, so in place of we have e to the power 0.5 q, and we are taking integral with respect to dq, so the integral will be equal to e to the power 0.5 q upon 0.5. okay, from the rules of the integration. So we can write, we have 12 in place of e to the power 0.5 q, we write e to the power 0.5 q and divide it by 0.5, plus we add the constant of integration. So this sums up to be total cost will be equal to 12 upon 0.5 comes out to be 24 e to the power 0.5 q plus c. This is our total cost function. Okay, so we got this very total cost function also, and let me write it here. We are being told with fixed cost which is being given us as 36. Okay, when fixed cost is equal to 36, total cost will also be equal to 36 when q is equal to 0. Why? So fixed cost is that very cost which does not depend upon the level of output. When q is equal to 0 here, okay, so let's subsidize it here. Simple thing, when fixed cost is 36, total cost will be equal to 36 when output produced is equal to 0. Okay, simple thing. Now what we do here, we simply substitute total cost is equal to 36 in this equation. So in place of total cost we write 36. So our 36 should be equal to 24 e to the power 0.5. In place of q we have 0. As I have told you, when output is equal to 0, okay, our fixed cost will be equal to 36. That means our total cost will be equal to 36. So when output is equal to 0, okay, our total cost is equal to 36. So in place of this total cost I have written it 36 and evaluate it when my production is equal to 0, and we add the constant of integration here also. So this will give us, we have 36 is equal to 24 e to the power 0.5 into 0 is 0 plus the constant of integration. So we have 36 is equal to 24 e to the power 0 is equal to 1 plus the constant of integration, because e to the power 0 is equal to 1 by definition. So 36 is equal to 24 plus c, which gives us c is equal to 36 minus 24, which implies our constant of integration will be equal to so that is 12. Here you can see our total cost will be equal to, total cost function will be equal to 24 e to the power 0.5q plus 12, the constant of integration. This will be our total cost function. And you can see here or notice here that c is not always, or let me write it here, c does not always equal to fixed cost. Why? As we have seen here, the value of c came out to be 12, but fixed cost was 36. Okay, so constant of integration cannot always be the fixed cost when we take the marginal cost and total cost in consideration. I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.